Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on another video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below because it is free 99. There's no reason not to click it. You might as well turn on the notification bell while you're at it. And if you're not new, thank you for coming back and clicking on another video. So as you can see from the title, okay, wait, let me, y'all, I have been plotting for a week to make this video, but I had to organize myself and wait and really test things out and go back to the store and stock up before the shelves get cleared because I need this for life. But I wanted to come on here and share this product with you guys because you know that is my job here on the internet. Like, when I find things, I like to come online and tell you guys about it first because it is hard to find things that really work and you don't want to waste money. I don't want to waste money. You don't want to waste money, so that's what this is for, right? So basically, I have found a new edge control that actually works. Okay, let me rewind. You guys know that I have one edge control that I love, which is the Ebin New York edge control, and that had been probably the strongest edge control I've ever tried. The Kaleidoscope edge control was maybe second, but I had to use that with some Got to Be Free spray, which would dry out my edges and wasn't the best case. And yeah, but aside from that, every other edge control did not work for me. My edges, you are probably looking at them now thinking like, oh, they look easy to manage, or I don't even know. They're not. They're not. And I don't even have the healthiest edges. Like, they're very fragile, they're very frizzy, they're coarse, they're dry. They just don't look good most of the time. I'm being real. But nowadays it's been really healthy because I've been treating them, and on top of that, I found this new edge control that actually works. So my edges probably look better, but even now, they're still not that full. They've never been that full, but this is pretty good. It's coming back. It had been damaged from the wigs that I was wearing, and now it's coming back in and it's filling in. So it's not the best, it's not the worst, but trust me, my edges are not the easiest to manage. I have been working on my edges and I found this edge control that, I don't know what, guys, I go into the store and I have been telling you, I have a sixth sense for finding things. Like, I was just in the aisle that had all the expensive natural hair products and I saw this little edge control on sale. I was like, it looks like a small business kind of edge control. It's not super fancy packaging. It's just like a container with like a sticker on top, you know? So, and I was like, if it's in the expensive aisle, like, it must be good. I don't know why. It's something about it just spoke to me. It was whispering in my ear and she's like, girl, pick me up. Like, I swear I heard something. I was like, and I picked it up and I looked at it and I was like, 48-hour edge control. And I was like, ugh, they always say 48 hours. But I was like, anyways, let me just grab it and see what they're talking about. So I pick up the edge control and I go home. And I'm about to do this ponytail hairstyle that you guys saw in my last video, and I mentioned the edge control. If you watched it, you know what I'm talking about. I used that edge control and my hair, okay, hold up. So I took on this edge control, I did my ponytail, and I was like, damn, like, this really stayed down. Then hours later, I went out, went shopping, all this stuff. The edges did not move. When I tell you they did not move, like, never in my life. And the only time I could probably get good edges that don't move too much is if I go in with some Eco Styler, some freeze spray, some edge control, and lay it down with a scarf for like 20 minutes, and then maybe it'll last like 5 hours, maybe. When I tell you guys, this edge control lasted on my edges for 48 hours. You guys won't even believe me. Let me insert my receipts. So I did my edge control video on this day. I'll try to put everything here so you guys can see. I did my ponytail video on that day. On that day, I spent the whole day. I went out, I did everything. I went shopping, to the store, to dinner. I was out until about midnight. And I came home, my edges still intact. Guys, showered, still intact. Went to sleep, still intact. I'm not even lying. I'm not even lying. And so I woke up and I was like, damn, these edges are really not moving. They were not playing when it came to the whole 48-hour thing. And so this is the day that I also had to leave Toronto to go to Ottawa. So I got on a 4-hour train ride, knocked out in my seat for 4 hours, face rubbing up on my jacket, moving, like just gone for 4 hours. Like so gone that when my stop came, I jumped out in a rush and I was just grabbing things. Like I was gone. When I looked in the mirror and saw my edges still intact, I said, this is some voodoo. This is some juju magic, because I don't know what this is. I have never in my life experienced this. I have had some good edge controls like the last two that I've mentioned. Never in my life have I had an edge control last me 2 days. Through 2 crazy days. 2 busier and messier than normal days. So that's when people were like, oh, you're right. Like, it is pretty good. And the compliments I was getting on my edges, I was like, I never get compliments on my edges because they never look pretty. They never look good. They really don't. I'm being real. I really don't get compliments on them because they're usually kind of messy. They're usually kind of sad looking. They're usually kind of bald. So I was like, oh wow, thanks. Like people are really liking my edges. The only reason this edge control honestly did not last longer is because I eventually had to wash my hair, unfortunately. But I washed my hair and I did the same thing and I got the same exact situation. These edges are from yesterday. I put a scarf on it, I've showered, and it's still intact. Never in my life. Never in my life. Never. 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 I am just so impressed. So I don't come on here and lie. So you need to, okay. So you're probably wondering why I talk so much, tell us what the edge control freaking is. But I have to share that so you believe me. You need to know the facts before you go make this purchase, okay? So I had to go to the store and stock up because I cannot risk the shelves being empty when I go back. So basically, it's time for the final reveal. You guys ready? You ready? You ready? Okay. I'm gonna feel like such an idiot if this is like old news. But either way, someone on here has never heard of this like me, I'm sure. So I'm gonna share with confidence anyways. So this is the edge control. It is called BELLE ROCHER. BELLE ROCHER. I tried to find their Instagram. I couldn't find anything really. Well, I did find it, but there was nothing much on there. It's the BELLE ROCHER, the 48-hour hold, because they have regular ones and then they have the 48-hour ones. So this one is the natural black. So it's literally black, like this. Comes in this small container. It's a 2-ounce container. It was on sale for $6.99 Canadian dollars. Usually $7.99, and I got it at a beauty supply store that I don't usually go to. So if you live in Toronto, I didn't get it from BSW. I actually got it from, what's it called? Beauty Collection? Yeah, Beauty Collection around Keele and Shepherd. But I'm sure you can find it other places. That was the one closest to me. So perfectly edged, extreme mega hold. They are not like extreme mega hold. Don't sleep, okay? I went back and got more. Tell me if I'm playing games. I would not go back for this if it wasn't the truth. Now I have enough to last me, I would say, about a year. So I am sharing the news, not to be greedy, but you know, I had to make sure I had enough backup because my mom already stole my first one. And she has 4C hair all over her head. Whereas I have parts of 4C and she has mainly 4C hair. Yeah. And it slicked up her edges quick, easy, and it stayed. It was so great. So she stole mine and I went back and got 3 more for myself. So again, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. So this is it, BELLE ROCHER Natural Black 48-hour hold, extreme mega hold edge control. And this is what it looks like. And if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that my biggest pet peeve when it comes to edge controls is that 1, they usually don't work, and 2, it's because they're so freaking greasy. Like, what am I doing with oil on my edges when my edges are stubborn? When you have stubborn edges, greasy edge controls do not work. They literally absorb into your hair and your hair goes poof, back up again in 2 seconds. So that has been my main issue. This is not like that. First of all, it doesn't dry out your edges like most gels and glues and all that sticky stuff does. I don't know what is in this. I honestly don't. And I did think it was all natural. I don't know where I got that. Yeah, okay, on their Instagram it says natural body and hair care specialist. So I'm assuming that this is all natural. there you guys have it. I just wanted to come on here and share that with you guys because it is important news. Like PSA, this is the new go-to. If you can find it, that's it. I will try to find links for you guys and put in the description box, but I personally got it at the store. So check your stores around you before you go online, unless it's easy to access online. I will let you guys know in the description and in the comments. They should put my face on it. I would be happy. I would be happy to, honestly. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video, comment down below, let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you have an edge control that is actually good for coarse, stubborn edges. You can always comment your edge control, let us know what hair type you have so people can relate to that and go look for what they need according to their hair type. So let me know, comment down below, thumbs up this video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.